Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from your crypto. Calm DeFi wallet. First, open your DeFi wallet app and ensure you are logged in. Then, locate the send or withdraw option, usually found on the main screen or within the specific crypto's details. This is your starting point for moving funds out of your wallet. Make sure you have the correct asset selected before proceeding to the next step. Now, you'll need to input the destination wallet address. It's crucial to copy and paste this address accurately to avoid losing funds. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum limits. Confirm that the correct network, such as Chronos or Ethereum, is chosen, as sending on the wrong network can result in permanent loss of your assets. Take your time here. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transaction details presented. Pay close attention to the network fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Ensure the total amount the recipient will receive is correct after these fees. This is your last chance to catch any errors in the address, amount, or network. A quick double-check can save you from potential issues. Finally, you'll be prompted to confirm the transaction using your security measures, such as a passcode or biometric authentication. Once confirmed, the withdrawal process begins. Remember that transaction completion times are dependent on the blockchain network's speed and current activity. You can track the status of your withdrawal in your wallet's transaction history until it's fully processed and confirmed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.